Volkswagen India today rolled out its 1 millionth car out of its assembly line at its factory in Pune. The celebratory car was a Volkswagen Amio. The manufacturing facility started its operations in March 2009 with the SKODA FABIA. Then, 3 more models were added, which were the Volkswagen POLO, VENTO and the SKODA Rapid by the end of 2010. Volkswagen started exporting cars from its Pune plant beginning with South Africa in 2012. In the coming years, Volkswagen Group has committed an investment of 8,000 crore rupees in India to develop new cars, and for that, it has already set up a new technology center in Pune as well. Honda Cars India has announced that it will voluntarily replace Takata driver front airbag inflators from 3,669 units of the Honda Accord, which were manufactured between 2003 and 2006. This voluntary recall is a part of Honda's precautionary global campaign regarding Takata front airbag inflators. The replacement will be carried out free of cost at Honda dealerships across the country from April 18, 2019. Honda Cars India will reach out to each customer regarding the same. This is the 9th time that Honda has issued a recall in India regarding Takata airbag inflators. Honda Motorcycle and Scooter India has established a new retail chain for premium bikes, with the vertical being called Honda BigWing. The new vertical promises to deliver an immersive experience for the company's premium motorcycle customers. The first BigWing outlet was recently inaugurated in GURUGRAM and also made deliveries of the Goldwing, Africa Twin and the new CB300R. The BigWing outlet will provide personalized customer experience and after-sales services for customers who own the Honda CB300R to the big luxury tourer, the Goldwing.
So if you love our videos, you've got to give us more power to bring you even more, and to do that, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button.